I want to show you a new tool we've been working on in VFX Spotlight. It allows you to create and host and share a professional visual effects showreel in a few minutes. So let's dive in. So after filling out your profile in the onboarding wizard, you can head straight over to the Showreel creator page. On that page you'll see 4 tabs: Clips, Cut, Music and Comp. The Clips tab displays clips from your media library. You can also import new clips directly from here. So click to select the ones that you want to be included in your reel. I'm going to select a few clips and notice that the green frame counter up the top is updating. That lets you know if you go over the limit. So we've got the clips. Let's go to the Cut tab. This is where you set the play order, trim each clip and add descriptions for the overlays. Each clip is a collapsible card which you can click to expand and edit. You can drag clips to reorder them with the handle in the clip header. And to trim a clip, you click the thumbnail and this opens up the trim dialog. You can scrub through the video, set the in and out points and hit OK. If a clip isn't 16:9 aspect ratio, you can choose to crop in or just leave it padded. Over on the right there are 2 overlay description lines. You can put whatever you want in, but the convention is to put your production credit in the top line and your contribution info on the line below. So there's a drop down for your credits, and if you click the sparkle icon, AI will analyze the clip, the actual content, and it will make an educated guess based on your production credit about what your contribution is. Next, you can search for the client's logo, type their brand name and it pulls in the logo automatically. You can use the preview button to see how the overlay looks when it's comped on top of the clip image. If you previously wrote any deep dive articles related to that particular bit of work, you can set a link here. I'll quickly go through and check the other clips and come back. So all the clips are in good shape now. Let's move over to the Music tab. You can pick a soundtrack to overlay on the showreel from this shared library. The music fades in over your title card and it fades out on the contact card at the end. And you can see that on the little shaded areas at either end of the showreel window. You can drag that window to choose which part of the track plays over the showreel. Now over to the Comp tab. The title card section has your name, roles, discipline and year, and these were pre-filled from your profile. You can adjust anything, of course. You can also add a background. You can use an image or a frame from one of your clips. Check the preview again, and if the text doesn't show up too well on the background, you can darken it. The contact card includes contact details and a QR code that links back to your VFX Spotlight profile. In the Style section below, currently there's a font pairing menu and a character to separate the different phrases in the contribution info. So let's take one more look at the preview. You can use the magnifying glass in the top left corner to check the details, how they'll look at 1080p. Use the arrows to step through each clip overlay to see still images and see the layout. And finally, you can check the contact card again. If it's all looking good, you can generate a free 720p watermarked version just to check everything before committing credits. But we're just going to go straight to 1080p. I think it's going to be all right. So it takes a few minutes. Right, that's done. If everything looks good, you can create a story from this showreel. The story will contain the video along with shot details, and it will contain those deep dive links that we said earlier that let you, or that lets anybody who's watching it go in and find out the details. So let's publish this story and share a link. You can share a link by email, and you can also share on X, Facebook or LinkedIn. We try and make that all very easy. The LinkedIn share generates an image and shows you how to post on LinkedIn without getting rate limited by their algorithm. So that's that. And now if we head back over to the artist index, you can see that the showreel is sitting there in the artist card. Recruiters who are browsing VFX Spotlight will be able to play your reel right there from the artist listing. And on the showcase page, your reel will appear alongside other recent reels and stories. So that's it, from raw clips to a published shareable showreel in just a few minutes. Thanks very much for watching.